Yankeetown today. Very, very low tide. Barely any water anywhere today. Got a late start, 11 a.m. Hopefully I can find where the redfish are hiding. We're to try north today. I really don't know where I'm going. The water's 59 degrees. I thought this river was going to be a lot warmer. I was going to try snook fishing in here. But honestly don't know much about this place. Let's see if we catch some fish today. Looks like the tide's still going out. We're going to have incoming tide here in a little bit. And it should be incoming the rest of the day. It amazes me that it's still only 59 degrees here at the ramp in the river in Yankeetown. I thought this river would be holding warmer water in that river to see if it got any warmer. But it's hard to find warm water here unless you go all the way up deep in the creeks. Next trip I make, I'm going to have a jet drive. I got a different motor at the house, so I'm going to swap this motor out for. I'll be putting this motor up for sale. It runs perfectly if anybody's interested. Cast a swim bait, I caught a bass. Jeez, I'm trying to catch a snook, little guy. What are you doing? That's the first bass I've caught in here. Got the right species finally. I got a red. Dead snook right there. Is it really a snook? That's a good size one. Little flounder. Cool. Little guy. He swallowed it. Why'd you swallow it? Yeah, little guy. Sitting right here in the channel. There you go, Brian. Real shallow water trout today. We've got 2 keepers on 2 casts. Couple big trout back to back. Swim bait. You catch them right next to the freaking boat. Another keeper. Got that little gold swim bait. Trying to catch a big one. I'm throwing this 5-inch swim bait. I want a 25-inch trout. Manatee. Or a redfish, maybe. Red? That's a little red. He ate your swim bait. Hey, technically I got a slam because I caught a bass before I picked you up. This is a freshwater slam, or brackish slam. Oh, we need a snook though. Are you kidding me? I'm just trying to tie my freaking... I haven't made 1 cast yet and you caught 3 fish. That's another keeper. What the hell? You got a pocket full. Can I just tie my hook on? Please. Skiing. Lots of trout. It's only 59 degrees. I'm surprised we're catching this many trout. Of course, mine's too small. There's a snook. Hey, there's a slam. That's funny. That's cool. Little snooky. Good size trout. Not too big. Enough spots on that one. Might be a big snook. There we go, finally. Big red. on the what? The Little John. Oh, he might be over slot. No, he's a perfect slot. Top slot. Heck yeah. That's 26.
Good job, dude.
I hope he's not over slot.
It's close.
Slinging Lil John right on the edge of that rock pile.
Nice 25, dude.
Sweet. Oh, little red. Should just anchor right here. A little pocket of fish. I let him swallow it. Look at the color on that thing. Pretty red. There you go. Look at that, free line and shrimpies. Brian likes to be in the water for some reason. On the boat, Brian's catching trout from the water. Brian's got all the keepers, but at least I'm catching fish. Small little reds. It's getting windy. All these ladyfish school up everywhere. Kind of told us where the bait was. What about my Lil John? It's not a keeper, but it's a trout. You're saying? They're back to back. I still don't think it's a keeper. I don't know about 17, it might be 16. Snook? You just slung him in like it was nothing.
I thought it was a small trout.
You just embarrassed the hell out of that snook. Guess we got a good little cove. That means we both got a slam. Aha. He is so cold.